Is your home starting to feel like a game of hide and seek, but it's your stuff doing all of the hiding? Don't worry, Ikea has storage solutions so clever, you'll wonder how you've ever lived without them. From sneaky organizers to space-saving heroes, here are my top 10 Ikea storage gems that will make your home feel instantly cleaner, calmer, and way more put together without breaking the bank. I'm An. This is my dog Mars. Thank you so much for stopping by. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring that notification bell, and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! The very first storage solution I have for you today are the Ikea Lix Hold modular metal cabinets. Now, these cabinets are the definition of small but mighty. They are compact and modular, and you can mix and match cubes and rectangles. Everything just bolts together. You can wall mount or stack them and hide anything behind closed doors. They come in so many fun colors, so you can hide your clutter and make it look intentional. And at about $50 a cube, you can keep adding pieces whenever inspiration or chaos strikes. Next one on my list is the MOPPE Mini storage chest. This is the tiny hero you didn't know you needed. It's just perfect for storing all those little things that love to disappear. Think craft supplies, batteries, cables, stationery, or even your secret snack stash. It's made of unfiltered wood, so you can paint it, stain it, or leave it as is for that raw, minimal look. It's cute, customizable, and a total lifesaver for those small stuff chaos. Now, speaking of gems, let's take a break so I can tell you about today's sponsor, June's Journey, which is this captivating hidden object mystery game that drops you straight into the dazzling drama of the 1920s. Think vintage glam, juicy secrets, and a whole lot of mystery. You play as June Parker, which is this sharp, independent woman on a mission to solve her sister's murder and uncover her family's deepest secrets. The story is continuously evolving with new chapters released every single week, so there's always something new to uncover, which I love. And this isn't just about crime solving, it's a richly layered story exploring love, betrayal, motherhood, and social injustice. Not to mention, you can decorate your own island, join clubs to play with your friends, win rewards. It's mystery solving and interior design, so yes please. So if you're ready to step into the mystery, click the link into the description box or just scan this QR code and download June's Journey for free. It's available on iOS, Android, and PC. And trust me, once you start, you'll be hooked. Thanks to June's Journey for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our Ikea storage gems. The next storage solution on my list is the SPIKSMED Shelf Unit. The SPIKSMED collection is a proof that stylish storage doesn't have to cost a fortune. This space-saving storage solution is perfect for when you need vertical storage without the bulk. Forget the calyx, this slim little shelf slides even into the tiniest corners and still holds a ton, from pantry supplies and shoes to office and living room knickknacks. It comes in a few different heights and widths, so whether you're organizing your pantry, living room, or even need an extra cabinet for the office space, this one's the perfect solution. Lightweight, easy to move, and so minimal. Plus, I love the sliding doors. They are space savers for sure. Now, when we're talking about the office, the next storage solution I have for you is the HELMER Drawer unit on casters, aka the king of rolling organization. Now, even though this one's originally designed for the office, don't let that limit you. It's just perfect for art supplies, tech cables, makeup, tools, or even bathroom essentials. The drawers are deep, it rolls wherever you need it, and it tucks perfectly under most desks and tables. It's metal, it's minimal, and it gets the clutter out of sight fast. Plus, it comes in so many cute colors. I love it so much. Not to mention, it's a more budget-friendly option than the famous Alex unit, so there's a win-win there. The next Ikea storage find is the SOCKERBIT Storage Box with lid. This was the ultimate hide it and forget it solution. With its clean, minimal look and snap-on lid that opens on both sides, it keeps everything dust-free and out of sight. From seasonal decor to bed linens, toys, or off-season clothes, you can stash everything and keep it out of sight under the bed. And the best part is it stacks like a dream, so you can build your own little storage empire in a closet or under the bed without breaking the bank. And when we're talking about boxes, another storage find I absolutely love are the RYKTA storage boxes with lids. These are the clearish winners for keeping your things neat without totally hiding them. They come in a few sizes and at a great price, yet their slick gray-blue tint gives them a modern, minimal, semi-transparent look, making it so easy to spot what's inside. These are perfect for tools, cleaning supplies, hobby gear, or even pantry backstock, and you can keep them behind closed doors, in your wardrobe, or even in plain sight. Stackable, sturdy, and seriously underrated. Now, when we are talking about budget yet practical and stylish storage solutions, I just cannot go on without mentioning the HYLLIS Shelving unit. This was the ultimate put it anywhere, use it for everything kind of shelf. It's lightweight, super budget friendly, and fits perfectly in tight spaces like balconies, kitchens, laundry rooms, even inside closets. Not to mention, it comes with a cover if you want to turn it into a mini pantry or dust-free storage zone, which is amazing. I've also seen people using it in living rooms, bedrooms, even bathrooms, and for under $20, it's a great find that can be used anywhere. The next Ikea storage solution I absolutely love is the HÅLLBAR Recycling solution. These stackable bins make it super easy to separate recyclables without taking over your kitchen or utility space. The lids open and slide easily, and the different sizes means that you can customize your setup depending on how extra your recycling habits are. It's sleek, space-saving, and surprisingly satisfying to use, saving the planet and your floor space at the same time. The next Ikea storage find I have for you are the Vlance boxes with lids. These are a must when it comes to organizing your drawers. The VISSLAÅN boxes come as a set of 5 and are perfect for theming all of those tiny things like cotton swabs, hair accessories, jewelry, or anything that usually rolls around in chaos. The thin edge around each lid makes sure to keep stacked boxes stable even when your sliding drawers open and closed. Plus, the dark transparent plastic adds a calm, clean vibe while still letting you peek inside. And the last Ikea storage solution I have for you is the JONAXEL Storage combination. This is the customizable storage hero that's got your back in any space. With a variety of options and dimensions, you can mix and match to create the perfect storage solution for your closet, pantry, kitchen, or even laundry room. Not only do they slide out smoothly for easy access, but the open design makes it a breeze to see exactly what's inside. So no more digging around in the back of the drawer. They are perfect for everything from shoes to pantry items and cleaning supplies, and with various sizes and configurations, you can truly customize your setup. And that's a wrap for today's Ikea storage solutions. I really hope you liked these finds and these storage ideas. If you did, make sure to let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to make sure you never miss another video again. I post IKEA content every single Thursday, so you'd like to stay tuned. And don't forget to download June's Journey. You have the link into the description box, and hop on with me on a hidden object mystery in the 1920s. Thank you so much for watching and for staying with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Another week, another sleepy Marsy boy. Mars, please wake up, buddy. Hey. Hey. You're always in the same position when sleeping on this armchair. Mars, open your eyes to say bye at least. Guys, do you love this setup for Mars? Please let me know. Please let me know if you like it better than the one before. It's definitely his new favorite spot, so I think we're keeping it. Right, buddy? Mars? Oh, he opened his eyes for you guys. Maybe next week we'll go to a park. Okay, say bye.